Hi, hello, welcome to Dubai Vet Talks. So, as I promised in the introductory video, I have a surprise for you. So, this is Dr. Shipna with me. She is working here in UAE for more than 10 years now. So, she is our chief guest for today. Okay, so let's start our Q&A. So, first and foremost question that I am getting every day is that how to start a career in Dubai, like how to get a job initially.
Okay, so here are two things. So once you pass out, you can be a fresher or you have 5 years experience back home or somewhere else.
Yeah.
So you can have both or two kinds of jobs in Dubai. One is a vet tech job. As a fresher, if you don't have 5 years of experience, you can start like a vet nurse or a vet technician in Dubai. But if you have 5 years experience outside the country, whether it's back home or somewhere else, if you have 5 years experience here, you can work as a vet here in Dubai, and then you need to have the vet licensing exam, and then you can qualify to work as a vet here in Dubai.
Yes. So, how the job hunting goes initially? So, if you are back in India and you are trying to get a job, is it possible to apply for jobs in UAE directly from India, or is it mandatory that you have to come? Which is more suitable?
See, job hunting, the scenario is kind of different nowadays. So it used to be before in person, people, prefer more in person assessment in the sense, they want to assess the people in front of them.
Yeah.
Rather than, I used to send my CVs through LinkedIn, Naukri Gulf, and all those platforms,
Yeah,
Indeed, like that. But nowadays, before, but earlier that time, I'm talking about 8 to 10 years ago, those in those days, people often wanted to see the person.
Yeah, indirect
In
and
direct.
and for an interview.
Yeah, so they call for interview and then they offer a job.
Ah.
But nowadays, I don't think that matters. But if you are qualified enough, if you have the Apple's skills and everything to put forward, I think that's more than enough for people to recognize you and to call for an interview. Yes, I mean nowadays, I think you are more than I mean in this now we are more newer, so new generation, so you will be having more idea.
Yeah. So when I inquired, most of the vets told me this thing like it will be more preferable if you are present in UAE. So that's why I started to apply for jobs from back in India. So before I have already planned to come here because my husband already working here. So I started like 2 weeks before. My travel to UAE to apply through LinkedIn, Indeed, and also started which all clinics are there in Dubai, and also apply directly to their mail ID. Found out who are the HR and the working people in each clinic, and try to connect through LinkedIn so that I can know if there is any vacancy somewhere else. But I knew that as I am less than 5 years experience, I can get into the field only as a vet tech or nurse.
Yeah.
So I was aware about that. So I got a 2 months visa to Dubai. Then I started to go to each and every clinic by person, give CV on each clinic. So I can see only the front desk people actually, the reception, but some of them very kind and they will give you the mail ID for the HR and also pass this to the HR or management people. Likewise, I got called for interview here when I was present. Like within a week, I got like luckily, but some people are there still job hunting for 1 month. It depends. So most of the favorable time is just after the summer, right? To get hired. Most of the hiring will happen towards like September, October, right?